up, you guys? Welcome, YouTube. Welcome to my wonderful station. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my station today. And today we have a wonderful special for you guys. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make fried rice. Now, it's not the basic casual fried rice. It's Suki's fried rice with a little hint of curry. I'm going to give you guys all the necessary ingredients to accomplish this fried rice that I'm about to cook today. Because this one actually has been the #1 highly requested video of all time for some reason. Everybody's like, please show me how to make your fried rice. How do you make your fried rice? And I'm like, I promise you, I'm gonna post it on YouTube one of these days. But of course, obviously, with time conflicts and stuff, I wasn't able to, light up my YouTube station. But now I'm on YouTube, and I'm gonna be showing you guys delicious meals and how to prepare different Sierra Leone dishes. Okay, so thank you guys so much. Please like and subscribe to my station, share it to your friends, share it to your family. So let's get started. So today we're gonna use tomato, the whole plum tomato. We're gonna use garlic. We're gonna use red pepper. I mean, everybody have their preferences, so use as much as you want. Some people want their fried rice to be spicy, so the more spicy you want it, the more pepper you add. Okay. Salute to the big pepper guru. But this is ginger. So we have whole clove. We have ginger. I mean, you can use depending on the amount that you're cooking. I love ginger, so this is probably going to be a little bit too much, so we can remove this one and just use this amount. Then we have onions, of course. You use according to the quantity of rice that you want to make. So I'm using, in this case, I'm going to use 5 onions. Then I'm going to use 5 tomatoes. And then for the rice, I use palm boil rice. Yes, palm boil, baby. All right, let's go back to the seasoning, because of course seasoning is what makes the fried rice. You understand? So we have here our chicken seasoning. This is one of my favorites, actually. I love using this, and I need to buy more too, because it's almost finished, of course. But then we use thyme. Of course, I use thyme. I use black pepper, crushed ground pepper, and of course, this is my favorite curry. To give it that color and to give it that curry taste, of course. And of course, here we use Maggi cubes. I mean, I know sometimes it's hard for you guys to find these kind of Maggi, but I got these from Sierra Leone. So luckily I still have some left. But if this wasn't available, then I'll usually go with this only. So yeah, you can decide to use just these. I just decided to use, both of them, because this one is also good flavoring as well. But even if you use this, it's still going to be the same taste. So don't worry, okay? For those who can't find it. And this is one of my favorite seasonings of all time. I love this. So this is the chicken stock flavor that I use. And then, of course, I use some kind of herbs, garlic herbs and stuff. And then another thing that I typically use sometimes is rosemary, but I don't have it here. So you don't necessarily need to have it. I don't always put it. But these are the ingredients, you guys. So let's get to it. Yes. So now, this is the meat choice that I chose. I chose chicken gizzard, but anyone can choose any kind of meat that they want. You can use chicken, you can use beef. All you have to do is steam it, put a little bit of seasoning and then steam it, and then slice it up into chunks. Okay, everyone, it's time to chop it up. Now I'm cutting my chicken gizzard into small chunks, so that way I'll be able to chew it nicely in my fried rice. You can cut your meat of choice any kind of size you want, according to the way you like it. Well, here we have it, everyone. This is the kind of size you would want. In any kind of fried rice that you're making, you would want something that's small and precisely you will be able to chew it. This is the size you want. Okay, let me take you guys back to the vegetable section. Okay, so in this video, we are cutting the veggies up into small pieces. Now, some of the veggies we're going to blend, while some of the other veggies we're going to fry. So this particular tomato, we are slicing it up to go in the blender. Then we keep some, even if it's 1 or 2 full tomatoes, we keep it so that way we can fry it. Now, the onion section did not record for some reason, so you guys are not able to see the onion section, but you get it. You just slice it up into small chunks for the ones that you're going to fry, and for the one that you're going to blend, you can just cut it up in big chunks. Chop, chop, baby. sorry you guys, I kind of recorded, the camera was not recording, but I blend the onions, the pepper, and the garlic in here, and the ginger as well. And then I slice some to fry. So these are the ones that I'm gonna slice to fry in the oil. While this one is the sauce that I made to make the sauce and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys, okay? So again, here is tomato, sliced tomato, onions, garlic, and ginger and pepper. All right, as well with the rice. I pre-cooked the rice as well, as you guys can see the rice. So I pre-cooked it to the point that it's not too, it's not soft, but it's not hard as well. So I pre-cooked it. This was palm boil rice. Yes. So of course, this is how it is. I made a whole pot. You need your oil. You can use canola oil, or you can use, vegetable oil if you want, depending on what you want. Can you see the pot? Honey, it's time to fry it up. Sizzle, sizzle. Turn that fan on because the aroma was killing me with hunger. I don't know what that garlic was doing in there. Had to take it out. Had to go reblend it. But it's frying right now. The onions and the tomatoes are frying. All we got to do now is mix it up. Add some thyme on there. Add that black pepper, baby. What will we do without garlic and herb? And of course, we gotta stir it up, baby. Let's stir it. Mix, mix, mix. And now all you gotta do is pour the mixture in that pot, girl. Yes, honey. Stir it all up in there. Yes, get every little bit. Every little bit counts, okay? Stir, stir, mix, mix. Let's get it. It's Maggie time. Y'all want to see magic? Snap, bam. Let's get it. There we go. Only one hands, baby. Let's squeeze all this Maggie in the pot. And don't worry about the big chunks. The heat will dissolve it. So now, let's mix, mix. Mix, mix. Seasoning count. My favorite seasoning, da-da-da, chicken polo. Bam in there, dump it. Next seasoning, chicken. Bam, just drop it in there. Next seasoning is our favorite, curry. Make sure you put I don't know for you, but me, I like my curry. I like my curry strong. You feel me? Mix, mix, mix. Let's mix it in there. Oh, if only you guys could smell the aroma that I'm smelling right now. Oof. Let's get it. Mix, mix, mix. Make sure we get all the chunks in there. This is where we do the taste test. Let's get it. Let me see how it tastes. Ding! Yummy! Let it cook. Now it's time to take off the lid and prep this bad boy chicken gizzard to dive in the sauce. And let's rumble! Put it in, put it in. Hey, mix it up, mix it up. Let's mix it up. Stir it up, stir it up. Everything tastes good, but we just need a little dab of salt up in that joint just to spice up the taste. Then, of course, we just keep on stirring because that's what we love to do. Stir, okay? And then finally, the moment we all have been waiting for. It's time for the freaking rice, baby. That's how you know we're almost done. It's almost time to eat. Let's put that rice all up in that sauce. Hey, don't forget, get all those chunks. Let's get it. I struggled a little bit, but I ended up getting everything in there. Yes. And it's good to use a wooden spoon. My wooden spoon, I don't know what happened to it, so I had to work with what I got. Mix it all up in the gravy. Get all the bulges. Get all of it. Get all of it, because you want the taste to go every single direction. Put all the leftover rice in there. All the leftover. Yes. Stir it up. Okay, I am so hungry right now. Just stirring this up. I'm ready to eat. Okay, so after mixing it, let's try to close up. Let it steam up a little bit. Okay, so this didn't work for me because I'm typically used to using foil to cover the pot up so that way the steam can absorb in the pot to cook the rice faster. But since I ran out of foil, I had to use another solution, which is plastic bag. I don't recommend this, but at this point I didn't have any choice. So we had to go with the plastic bag, okay? Open this bad boy up. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I don't like to use plastic. Yes, because it always sticks on the pot, but it ends up coming up anyways. So it's good. Let's mix up the rice. Mix, 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 baby. Look at all that. Oh my goodness. Do you guys smell that? Oh no, you guys don't. I do. And our rice is ready. It's ready. Look at that texture, y'all. Oh, hubby is ready to eat. Here I continue with my mixing, of course. I love mixing. But do you guys see this, though? Look at the color. Look at the texture. Look at the rice. This is what you call fried rice. Not those other bootleg rice. Suki's Kitchen makes the best fried rice ever. Thumbs up. This is hella random, but I love plantain. Had to incorporate. You want to see magic? Let's get it. Bam! Voila. That's what you call magic, baby. Let's let all this sizzle in. We got salt in there. We're about to fry it up. Time to fry, baby. Fry it up. Throw it in there. Let that joint sizzle. Yes, it's getting browner and browner. We're almost there. Time to take it out. It's ready. It goes very well. Plantains go very, very well with our fried rice. The fried rice is officially finished. It's time to serve, my man. Yes. Look at all that lusciousness in this pot. I'm sorry, I don't like to brag, but honestly, if you taste this fried rice, you will fall in love with it. This is the reason why everybody has been asking me, what are the ingredients? Finally, you guys are bringing it to you. This is not no secret. This is my official ingredient. You see how I'm preparing my plate? I shouldn't even say my plate, my husband's plate. Do y'all see this? Look at this lumptiousness right here. Lumptiousness. Oof. And this is how you serve. This is how you serve. Yes. This is all for you. Let's come eat. We're not greedy, okay? You see how the plantain goes so well with the fried rice? It's just so perfect. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my station. Please like and subscribe. Please share it to all your friends. We thank you guys so much. Please subscribe so you can get more wonderful videos like this. Thank you so much. We love you guys.